I'm gonna attempt to do circles inside my garage. So let's measure to see how much room I actually have. There we go. Let's see how wide I have to practice. So about 20 feet, 20 feet, 2 inches, something like that, but with the window. So it's probably less than 20 feet circles. So first things first, I'm gonna go out into the alley, come inside and just see if I could do a U-turn and then just head right back out before I try the circles. Now let's see if I could do circles. So obviously with that, I've got to use every inch I can. So you see when I came into it, I went as far as close to the wall as possible and then just full lean, full commitment right away. So if I'm just out in the big empty parking lot, it's like a mental thing. People are like, oh, I could, and I had a 20-foot circle drawn out. Either you go inside of it or you don't go inside of it, right? But once you get that down enough, if you add barriers like walls, it's just a mental thing of why you can't do that anymore. It's the same 20-foot circle or less. So if I'm able to do it in a big empty parking lot with no barriers, should be able to do it here. So it's a little extra. Now this is the true test. So now I have the garage door is shut. So now I have to start from 0 miles per hour, take off. I don't have the speed and momentum like I already have. So I have to take off from nothing and go right into circles. So this is going to be the true test. Either I'm gonna do it or I'm gonna run into some shit. So, all right, first time attempting this. So all I did before the video was just try this a couple times by myself, and then right there was the warm up to do the circles. And now this is gonna be my first time attempting garage door shut inside the 20-foot circles from a dead stop. So we'll get back as far as I can to get some kind of momentum. Here we go. You could probably go towards the fridge a little bit so you have a better angle. Full lock. Handle marker, full lock. Steady throttle, steady clutch, and rear brake. That is sketchy. All right, so just keep the camera rolling. Now I'm going to, that's fun. It's actually like a challenge. I haven't done much low speed stuff in a while that really challenged me, but this is it. So now this is gonna be even sketchier because now I'm gonna go to the other side. I'm gonna go right. So I'm gonna get my bike all set up as far as I can over here towards the wall. And then I'm gonna try to do the circles again, but going right. You get as far back as I can to create momentum. I can't even put the kickstand down because I'm too close to the wall. Now to the right. Inside a 20-foot circle inside the garage. If that doesn't motivate you to go practice in a big, huge, empty parking lot or empty road, I don't know what to tell you. So get out there and practice.